So I've been having trouble keeping my camper from sliding side to side. And so I'm putting some 2x8s on either side. That should keep it from at least hitting. So I'm hoping that this will be enough to see. I put a dent in my truck because the truck camper slid. So put these 2x4s in. I need it to go the other way a little bit more. So, all right, let's see how we do. All right, I'm going to do this side just to show you guys how this thing can move to the side. See how it's almost touching there? Now I just got to pull forward a little bit. So I need to go up a little bit. It's definitely going to work. Get it. Alright. Let me make sure it's high enough in the back so I can back up a little bit. That can't be there. Alright, I just wanted to show you all how I did it. I got the 2x8s on both sides, and so now I have a big space on both sides. So even if it twists a little bit, it's not going to hit my truck like it did a few days ago and put a dent in it. So that's a good space right there. So yeah, this is looking good. Just tighten it up and we'll be good to go. Hopefully I'm leaving it loose enough. Got a big bulge here. So you want it to move. You don't want it as tight as what people tell you. Like, even that's probably too tight. More like that. I haven't tightened it down yet, so that's why it's, you know, it could be a little tighter. But like that, that's what you want. When I put this one on backwards because I wanted that to hit. All right, I'm going to undo that. All right, looks good. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.